Introducing the Karcher WVP 10 Advanced, a hand-guided professional surface vacuum cleaner for all smooth surfaces. Extremely versatile, it cleans effortlessly across windows, tiles, mirrors, and all flat surfaces, leaving them streak-free every time. Robust yet lightweight, the WVP10 features a 200 ml dirty water tank for high area performance, with fast and hygienic emptying to keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Thanks to the exchangeable battery, you can clean without interruption. Work comfortably in any position, horizontal, vertical, or even overhead. The Karcher WVP10 Advanced, effortless, streak-free cleaning for professionals and homes alike. For more information, contact Industrial EquipSol Limited at 01713 469965 or visit our website www.iesl-bd.com.